What is this crap? Your feet stink, man. Tickle, tickle. See how much torture you can take. Oh, he's so tough. Look at him. Oh, I barely touched you. Snake up your pant leg. Not so tough, no. Are you nervous? I can't believe you came back. Hi.
I'm watching you.
Where you going?
You nerd. Come and get me, you nerd.
You're a glutton for punishment, aren't you?
Well, no. Come on, stupid snake. I'll beat you up. Dang it.
Dang it, dang it. Hi. Oh, look at you, so cuddly. Oh. 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 Oh, he's so pretty. Touch your brain.
Don't be right out.
Okay. I'm gonna touch your brain. Touch your brain. Come on, let me just give it a little poke. A little tickle.
No.
I'm gonna tickle your brain.
No. Feel the back of my eyeball.
Oh, maybe I could touch the back of your eyeball. Let's see. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Have you dug that far for gold?
Yeah.
Have you found the back of your eyeball?
Yes.
What was that like, man? Oh, just thinking about that makes my eyes itch. Let me touch it. Let me touch it. Brain or eyeball? Brain or eyeball? Where are you? There you are. Ow! Okay. So, brain. But you're so cute. You're so cute and everybody wants to see Hunter.
No.
Yes, and we love it to hear you laugh. Let's do it again. Oh, good job. Again, again. Love it, love it. Whoa. Is your hand stuck on that cup? You're stuck, you're stuck.
Mom.
Oh, you're so welcome, sugar. You're covered in candy. What happened? You got a candy in there? Did you just drink the rest of that candy?
Yeah.
All gone.
Tigger, you're in my space. Get on your side. Elmo needs to go potty.
You are like the worst cuddler ever. Ever.
Okay, everybody.
I'm trying to sleep here.
You're not on the road. You're on the ground. Chloe, you need to get back on the road. You don't know
Okay,
where
Pepper
I'm
Slobber's
going.
back.
Oh,
Okay.
hold on, everybody.
Put your hold her hand in my mouth.
No.
Sorry, everybody.
Yes.
You guys okay? I just was thrown from a car.
No.
Mhm.
Yes, in my mouth.
Here, you put your fingers in your mouth.
Oh,
Why? Because you don't know where they've been, huh?
Come on, guys.
What are you doing?
Is this a good
Pepper Slobber's back. What are you doing?
Mom, I licked you.
Stop licking me. What? I'm trying to catch a slippery fish. Pepper Slobber's back. How does that smell? Does your breath smell good?
That does.
Gross. Your brother's gross, man.
Okay. No. No. Wait. Try to catch my tongue again.
Okay, you might want to buckle up.
No. No.
Dang it.
Nice trick, though. Smooth move there, X-Lax.
Why?
Nobody's gonna help you.
No.
Your phone? Well, hold on a second. I'm beating your brother to a pulp. I'm busy. I'm busy beating on the boy. I love you. Ow.
No, yes. No. No one can see this. No.
Everybody can see this. Hi, everybody. Say hi, Hunter.
No.
He says hi.
Stupid.
Oh. No. You be nice to people watching this.
Erica's the best, though.
Oh, suck up. What you sucking up for?
Everyone
What you
else.
sucking up for?
Everyone else.